Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find city intimation for Neet. To begin, you'll need to visit the official NTA Neet website. This is the primary source for all official announcements and updates regarding the examination. Make sure you have your application number and date of birth ready, as these credentials are essential for accessing your personalized information. This process helps you prepare for the exam day well in advance. Once you're on the official NTA Neet website, locate the section dedicated to candidate information or recent announcements. There, you should find a prominent link specifically for the Neet UG Advanced City Intimation Slip. It's crucial to double-check the website's URL to confirm you are on the genuine NTA portal. This step ensures the security of your personal data and the accuracy of the information you receive. After clicking the link, you will be directed to a login page. Here, you must carefully enter your Neet UG application number. This number is unique to your application and is essential for accessing your details. Next, input your date of birth in the format requested on the page. Double-check both entries for any errors before proceeding, as incorrect information will prevent you from viewing your city intimation slip. Upon successful login, your advanced city intimation slip will appear on the screen. Take a moment to carefully review all the details, especially the name of your allotted examination city. Once you've confirmed the information, it's highly recommended to download the slip. You should also print a physical copy to keep with your important documents, as this will be useful for your travel planning and on the day of the examination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.